Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that several people have already left me on the same topic, people who have damaged the turbo of their car, and they are thinking of installing a used turbo, a scrap turbo, and they ask to see if the variable geometry needs to be adjusted in that case. Let's see. My advice, I always say it, is that you buy a repaired turbo, which the turbo is repaired. I'm not saying a new one, which is very expensive, but at least one that is repaired in case you have no other option than to look for a turbo in a scrapyard. If you put a turbo that is of an engine the same as the one in your car, you don't have to touch anything. It would be removing the turbo from the engine that is in the scrapyard and installing it in the engine of your car. The problem there is that you don't know what that turbo is like. You are going to install, but there you would not have to modify the variable geometry, nor those that are fixed geometry, modify the fixed geometry. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.